e kang le wan den wan bien tu gen men cho cho ngong den ading bai a chol bai ading cho ngare America tu ading piania to den ading ke kon ben ja ben ba ku ja ben nyu ading ka chin kun ko nywe ading en lo na Maria America tu kidin tin ma ya lo ba ya lo
About Sudan, hey, about Sudan, hey. Look goodbye, thought they look goodbye. To all my people in Juba, Rumbek, Riyadh, and Nuba. Benti, Malakala, Navana. Yeah, wow.
6 months after my first trip, and went back to Sudan and see how things were. I was there for 3 months to go back and try to train people how to pass those medicine out to those who in need, those who are sick. The medicine were in the clinic, but there was no anybody who know how to diagnose the people, how to give the right medicine to the right person. He was a community healthcare worker. I just told this guy to be on my side and see how we can diagnose somebody. I trained him how to do the IBs and how to take care of when somebody come in dehydrated and he needs emergency care. The girl who was bitten by a snake was there, and I saw her, and she was well. She lost some nerves in her, and some muscle in her foot. So she's limping a little bit, but the thing is gone. It's just the scar. It was a miracle that she didn't die, because at the first time we saw her, I thought she was definitely gonna die. If we were not there that day, maybe she would not make it. I would say that I spent those 3 months wisely, and I help a lot of people. Since I came back to the state, I'm trying to raise awareness and, put the word out that these people are really in need and they need help from us. We have our own NGO, and we're gonna use that as a tool to raise the money. It's basically for medical, like mosquito netting and medicine. The NGO name is Ubuntu. It's a name that's driven from South Africa. It is meaning that it's interconnection, like my humanity is your humanity, and your humanity is my humanity. I'm not the person who would say that I'm satisfied with what I do. The guilt that I have is not to punish myself for what is going on, just because of the need that people are really into. So you feel like you didn't do enough. I'm alive or here in the United States because I was being helped by other people. And I'm trying to pass that on to, like, I'm not saying that I'm gonna pay it all back, but for my time that I'm still here, I have to do something to others and help, with the little knowledge that I have.
What I went to accomplish on this trip is to make sure that we have enough bricks. I also already did consultation with the potential engineers, those who will build the schools. If we choose your company to contract with, the community would provide the labor, like people to make the cements and all this. So what we will need from your company is the skill, like someone like you engineers. We have already seen some of the bricks that have already been made. However, they are not enough. So as of today, they have already begun to start a second phase of making the bricks. I think quite I think lakini achiri am ken juar big toy den big juar I think because the ngika I think school ka ko iten ka we abi ko ba go po that I think na cho runa board I think ne ga runa le gri ben tup wa we get 300,000 too.
If someone comes with a school, construct the school in the place, then I will also would like another person to come in providing the water, because that is the criteria. We can have a good school, but if we don't have water, then the school is useless as it is not there.
Girls would have to go walking long distances to go and patch water for the family. So that deprived them of the opportunity to go to school.
The whole agenda of the trip is to go back to the village and drill the well, and then go back actually to the state and be able to trade more money to drill more wells. And I don't want to spend another year in the U.S. while people are dying in the village from cholera and many other waterborne diseases. So I decided to take a leave of absence from the university to go to the village and drill the wells.
I think you can keep paying the Nalo Cocoon Cocoa back. Your word can call it will quite in care and it tell Kibanton can when Nagin in car attend the people at the money, appear yellow. When I walk, we can weigh over our keep back. Ali, only me at in 10 Machoki, Machinelli, and Conyo.
A lot of kids in the United States couldn't believe that there's part of the world that people don't even have it. I mean, a basic thing like clean drinking water. So they were really moved by my story and the project that I was doing, and they were willing to raise money. These are little kids, they don't have money, but they were trying to give whatever they can. So I need to raise $4,500 for each well.
Cái chuyện lol thế thế, cái nào là mấy bên, ô cái đánh bù là lol, cú lốc quăng, à cái lol lên nhiều cú đẻ.
Những cái phốt, cái thóc cái thuốc, lấy dòng để chua cho mà nhín, có lấy dòng để chua cho là nguyên, ai mà, về nào thóc nó yếu hơn đâu, là chỉ lo mà nào lấy quay vốn, cái nguyên.
Nãy tới piu nó có quay pi, cái chín chuẩn bên cái nó mới coi là cái nó cái bên nào này.
The cloth is very tough because most of us people are very suffering a lot, and those who died because there are 2 people today died. One is there, another one was sent to the place where the people are treated.
They say 2 is not enough. 2 wells would not be enough because the population is so huge and Lang village is very large. I told them 2 will be better than nothing. That's why I came to drill 2 wells, and I will drill more when I get a lot of money. I will drill more wells. We are progressing well. They were really exciting that soon there will be well drilling in Lang for the first time. What their main concern was, why not now? Because we need the water now.
I think pen one. The school at you call me Mariala, I back in the car. Ella Boron mat. We quite buy, Midabun, who quite did good yard, who quite getting mat. I think I'm bigger than I think. The trip has been so successful and very productive, but at the same time, you saw me like I was shedding tears. It's really, I felt helpless, and I have a sense that my people, when they school now, people thought that I have already forgotten them. And when I come to tell them the school would be built, they thought that I would come back within a week and start building the school. They would see the buildings and they would see their children going to school. I told them it's a very long process. It takes a longer time than what is expected. So it's really very tough, but I think it's very challenging, but it will be done.
Sudan.